Episode 9. The Formation of Earth. Welcome to class. Now we focus on one particular survivor of that cosmic demolition derby, our planet. About 4.54 billion years ago, in the hot inner region of the solar system, a growing rocky protoplanet accumulated enough mass to dominate its orbit. That world became Earth, but this was not the blue planet we know. Early Earth was a molten sphere, heated by constant impacts, radioactive decay, and the energy released during its own formation. Its surface was a global ocean of magma. In this liquid state, gravity performed an important act of sorting. Heavy elements, especially iron and nickel, sank toward the center. Lighter silicate materials rose toward the surface. This process, known as planetary differentiation, created Earth's layered structure: a dense metallic core, a thick mantle, and a thinner crust. That internal structure would prove essential. The movement of liquid metal in Earth's outer core would later generate a magnetic field, an invisible shield that helps protect the planet from harmful solar radiation. But at this stage, the surface was still violent. Impacts were frequent. Volcanoes were widespread. The crust repeatedly melted and reformed. Gradually, the rate of collisions began to slow. The surface cooled enough for a more stable crust to form. Earth now existed as a distinct, layered, rocky world orbiting the sun. There was no oxygen in the atmosphere. No oceans yet. No life. Only heat, rock, and a thick veil of volcanic gases. But something important had happened. Earth had enough gravity to hold on to an atmosphere. It had internal structure. It had stability. The foundation was set. And soon, a massive collision would reshape this young planet forever. I'll see you in the next lesson.